Alright, hi everyone and welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add images in PyQt, how to rescale the images, and how to make an amazing awesome login screen with changing pages fluently without any error. So let's get started with the video without wasting much of time. So I already have a opened my PyQt, and in order to add a image in that, so first of all you need to drag a label and whatever size image you want. Let's say this is the size that I want, so wherever you want you can just place it. Remove the label. Beautiful. Now left click and go to change style sheet, and on the first section here you can see add resources and the background image. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a QRC file. So the way to do that is pretty easy, not too difficult. Here you see a logo of pencil, right? So click on that, and after that here you would see in between there is a symbol, so just click there. Oops, not that one, this one, I mean the first symbol, and select where you want to save that file. So I'm going to save on desktop and I'm going to say test. So just do a test, so automatically it will create a file known as test.qrc. Now we need to link an image. So remember, first we did the first option, that is new resource file. We created a test qrc. Now simply add an image, so just click the first button, just leave this as blank. Now hit the second button right here, select the image. So I already have in the downloads, so here you see I'm just gonna say keep, okay, 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 and here you see is the image. Now the problem is it's not scaled, right? So how do I rescale it? So if you go here all the way down, there is an option known as scale contents. So make sure to enable that. So once you have done with that, and I think this should work out pretty much. That's what I did previously. So just trying out. So just try to remove all of these, and I see the scale content is on, and probably it should work properly. It just worked. Just give me 1 second. I just forgot the option. There was an option for auto scale, so maybe. Oh yeah, there was an option on a pixel map, I think. Yeah. So here you see now it's a rescale. So how we did it is basically you go to pixel map, right? And again you select that image. So that was the image, and make sure the scale contents is enabled right here. So once you're done with that, now this image will automatically resize. Here you can see how much ever you want. So this is one of the example. Now let me show you a beautiful login screen that I just made with the PyQt. So with changing pages, this code is already there on my GitHub, known as master2.py. So if I run this, here you see it's such a beautiful. Let me just close this. Just see the UI, the black, and just see we have a text edit. We can enter our text. It has a nice placeholder. The buttons are rounded, red color, black and white. Beautiful. So let's, and if you have not logged in, you can do a new user. So let's make a new user, Somil Shah. Right, and the email ID. Username, I'm gonna say test12, password as test12, hit submit. Beautiful message, a pop-up message says added to database. That's what we wanted. Back. Now test12, submit, welcome. When you press OK, we have another screen. I can go back. Here you can see beautiful. I can switch between pages easily. It's not at all lagging. Here you can see. So if I don't enter anything, it's gonna tell you enter the username and password. Everything has been taken care. It has a database. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it, and if so, do give a like and subscribe to my channel. As usual, the code is there on my GitHub account, so let me quickly pull up that. Give me 1 sec. So some people might usually needs the code. So what I'm gonna do, basically just head over to my GitHub account and show you where this code is, because I already have a lot of repository. I know it's a little bit confusing. So if you go to the repository, right, and if you say changing pages with PyQt, right, this one, And inside this, if you open the master2.py or master, this both should work. So here is the entire code. You can edit it, take reference how I've written it and everything. So that's it, and let's end the video right here and see you guys in the next time.